welcome back to the Crochet Crowd. I'm your host, Mikey. The letter that we're going to do today is the title of this video. It's only going to be in right-handed format for this because I've been told that if you flip the video camera for the left-handed version, the letters will appear backwards for my left-handed audience. So to not upset anybody, it will not be available in left-handed. Also, in the video description, I linked the playlist where all the letters will exist. They will be provided in time, but I also put one video on how to sew the appliques to the project without going through. So if you want to add personalization of a name and not ruin your project, you can do it that way as well. So I will leave that in your hands, and without further ado, let's get started.
So let's begin the letter G with the 4.5mm size G crochet hook, and I'll be using Caron 1 pound. Let's create our beginning chain with the slip knot, and I need you to chain a total of 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And now let's begin row number 1. So we're going to slip stitch second chain from the hook. Just turn it around and get the back hump of the chain, and we're going to slip stitch there. And then we're going to chain 3, so 1, 2, 3, and single crochet starting in the second chain from the hook back to that other chain. So 1 and 2. And then it says slip stitch into the same space as the slip stitch. So where you started, you want to slip back there. Now the rest of this is all just straightforward. Now you're just going to single crochet the remaining of the chains, and when you're ready you'll just form this into the letter G and then just sew it down to your project. So let's single crochet the remaining of this. Okay, so once you're all the way back to the end, you will want to use your last tail that you have that you're currently working with is to leave it long to be able to sew it down to your project if you wish. Now you'll notice that it's just a big long shape at this moment, but what you want to do is that when you're ready you're going to shape this into the letter G, and then you'll sew it down to your project. It's kind of hard to hold it in my hands without pinning it down, but you'll just do the letter G, and this would be how it would work. And any tails that you want to get rid of that is not being part of the sewing down process, just throw it through a tapestry needle to hide it in. So this one was a lot easier than I was expecting, which is good. Nobody's got time for drama, right? So just weaving in any tails into the letter itself, and then you'll use the long tail to sew it down to your project. And that would be how you do the letter G, as in giraffe. And that'll be ready to go when you're ready.